welcome to my channel Dark is Beautiful. So today I'm going to be telling you how I maintained my hair exactly 2 months before my wedding, because my hair is dull, dry and frizzy, so I thought I'll transform it and make it look great on my wig day. So I thought I'll share it with you as well because it might help you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Well, it is said that you are what you eat, so I consulted my nutritionist and she suggested me some great superfoods which would help me maintain the health of my hair. So let's check them out. Spinach. So it has some good vitamins and proteins that will prevent the hair loss and strengthens your hair strands. So I made sure to add them into my smoothies, salads or any Indian curries that I would make. Walnuts. So they contain significantly higher amount of omega-3 fatty acids when compared to other nuts. It also has iron and biotin, and you might have already heard that biotin is completely good in stimulating the growth of your hair. It is also good for your skin and nails. So I have made sure to eat walnuts every single day. Your hair needs protein, so make sure to eat protein-rich foods like eggs and fish, and this can give you that silky and strong hair. Make sure to drink lots and lots of water because your hair needs hydration, and that is what it makes your hair look healthy and shiny. Do not use hot water directly on your hair because that can dry out your hair and it will be really harmful. Instead, use lukewarm water, and that will help in maintaining the health of your hair again. Avoid applying direct heat on your hair, and also stop doing bleaching, perming or permanent straightening or any of these things for at least 2 months, and you will start noticing a difference in your hair. Do not brush your hair while it is still wet because you might definitely lose a lot of hair, so stop it right away. Make sure to oil your hair regularly, and I have used this Kama Bringadi intensive hair treatment. It says it can prevent the hair loss, dandruff and premature graying, but I really like this product. First of all, it is light and non-greasy, and that is something I really like in a hair oil, and it can also remove the dryness to a great extent, and it gave me that healthy and shiny looking hair. So I highly recommend this product to you guys. I have always used silk pillows because cotton pillows might make your hair rough, and silk can prevent that damage to your hair while you sleep. Make sure to apply hair mask at least once a week. So one of my favorite hair packs is using fenugreek seeds and curd. So let's check it out now. Fenugreek seed and curd pack is something I learned from my nanny, as she used to use it every single week, and I know she used to have beautiful and strong hair. So basically, yogurt is a wonderful thing for your hair because it has protein, it can strengthen the hair shafts. Yogurt also conditions and adds shine to your hair. Fenugreek seeds can make your hair shiny and smooth because of its slippery nature, which I've always experienced myself. Fenugreek has a lot of other benefits which I mentioned here, and especially if you have hair fall or dandruff, this hair mask comes to your rescue, and I swear by this. So you need to take some fenugreek seed powder. I have made my own powder using spice grinder and mixed it with some thin curd. Also add 1 tablespoon of amla powder. This pack is going to become a little thick by the morning. So in case it's too thick, just mix some oil and apply all over your hair. Keep it for 40 to 45 minutes. Don't let it too dry, and wash it off with natural shampoo. Trust me, you will definitely see a huge difference in your hair. It will add some shine and bounce and brings a lustre back to your hair. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.